boys and girls, we are going to be reading all about sea turtles today. So the first thing we need to do is go over our parts of our book. Front cover, back cover, spine, and our spine is too thin, so we do not have important information on it. Okay. And here is our title. Title, name of the book, title, Sea Turtles. And it's written by Laura Marsh. And it does not have an illustrator because we have real photographs. And this is a non-fiction fact book. Okay. Sea Turtles by Laura Marsh. Title page, this is the title page. Okay. Table of contents. So in our book, we have a table of contents, and we're going to go ahead and start with the first few in our book. So we're going to start with a sea turtle on page 4. A sea turtle. And then right here it has a label. This is a green sea turtle. So right here, this is a picture of a green sea turtle. What hatches on land but spends its life in the sea? What starts out the size of a ping pong ball but can grow up to 7 feet long? A sea turtle. What do you call a sea turtle that flies? A shelicopter. That's a silly question. Okay. Ocean world. Leatherback sea turtle. So here is another species of sea turtle right here. That one's a leatherback. On the first page, we got to see a green sea turtle. Okay. See the difference? Sea turtles are graceful swimmers in the water. Their flippers move like wings. Sea turtles travel the world in warm ocean waters. They are one of the few reptiles that live in the sea. So sea turtles are reptiles, and they live in the sea and in the ocean. And this dark blue area all through here is where the dark blue area shows where the sea turtles travel. So any of the light blue areas, they do not travel. All the dark blue areas is where you can find a sea turtle. Okay. Reptiles are a cold-blooded animal that lays eggs and has a backbone and scaly skin. So sea turtles, they lay eggs, and they are cold-blooded, and they have a backbone and some scales. A sleek body helps the sea turtle move easily through the water. Now, we're going to start right here and go all the way around so that we can talk about the head of the sea turtle all the way to the back of the sea turtle. Okay? A sea turtle has lungs because it breathes air. A sea turtle holds its breath underwater. So it does not have gills. It has to breathe air outside of the water. Sea turtles can't pull their heads and limbs into their shells like land turtles can. Their large, powerful flippers act like paddles. Scientists believe some sea turtles live 80 years or more, but they don't know for sure. The back flippers steer the turtle as it swims. They are also used to dig nests in the sand. The scales on its shell are called scutes. And this particular sea turtle is a green sea turtle. Meet the turtles. There are 7 kinds of turtles in the world. Each has special features. The loggerhead is the most common sea turtle in the southeastern United States. It gets its name from its large head. So that's the loggerhead. The flatback has a flat body. It's the only sea turtle that doesn't live in the United States waters. It lives near Australia. The olive rattly has an olive-colored shell. It is shaped like a heart. So that's 3. We have 4 more. The hawkbill can't dive deep. It spends most of its time on the surface. It spends most of its time on the water's surface. The green turtle has a small head. Unlike other sea turtles, it goes ashore to warm itself in the sun. The Kemp Radley likes shallow waters. It's the world's most endangered sea turtle. Endangered means at risk of dying out. The leatherback doesn't have a hard shell. Its skin is rubbery with a small bones underneath. Okay, so that was all 7 of the sea turtles. Nest building. Female olive Radley sea turtles. So that's what this picture is showing. A female sea turtle comes on land to lay her eggs. She usually returns to the same beach where she hatched. Scientists aren't sure how sea turtles know where to go. They think turtles know by instinct. The sea turtle digs a hole with her back flippers. She lays her eggs and covers them with the sand. Then she returns to the sea. So here is a female green sea turtle, and you see all the sand that's getting flicked up? That's because she's building her nest. Turtle term, instinct. Behavior that animals are born knowing how to do. Okay? So we are going to stop there, and we'll finish the rest of the book tomorrow. All right, boys and girls, I love you.